Good day, class. Before we start today's work, let me quickly appreciate my amicable and very committed parents. I was really impressed with the level of your commitment, and I pray that God Almighty will enrich your pockets and you will live to reap the fruits of your labor. It will not be in vain. Amen. Now, to my dear students, I saw all your classwork and your assignments, and I believe all what you've been taught about 3 weeks ago, they are right written inside your mathematics notebook. Because all these things, I will check them, they are going to be marked and recorded. Today, we are still on plane shapes. We want to discuss area of parallelograms. A parallelogram has 4 sides, and the 2 opposite sides are parallel to each other. Where there is an height inside, and the base corresponding to the height. A parallelogram can have 2 heights and 2 bases. We still coming to that. For this one now, based on this diagram, to find the area of this parallelogram, we use the base multiplied by the height, which is base times height, or in short form, it can be written also as b times h, and it's also either in centimeter square or in meter square. If you are given the area and the height, you are asked to find the base. The base will now be area divided by height. And if you are given area and you are given base, you are asked to find the height, which will now be area divided by base. The first example, we are asked to calculate the area of a parallelogram if its base is 3.2 centimeter and the height is 2.5 centimeter. To solve that, will now be area of parallelogram is equal to base times height, and our base is 3.2 centimeter and our height is 2.5 centimeter. Multiply 3.2 by 2.5 give you 8.00 centimeter square. And the second example also, the question says if the area of parallelogram is 40 centimeter square and its base is 8 centimeter, calculate the height of the parallelogram. You will see that the second example is quite different from the first example. In the first example, we are given the base and we are given the height. We are asked to find the area. We just multiply base by height, centimeter square, for the area. The second example, we have already been given the area of the parallelogram, which is 4 centimeter square, and the base, which is 8 centimeter. We are now asked to calculate the height of that particular parallelogram. The formula which we are going to use now is what? Area divided by what? Base. Because we have been given the area and we given the base, we are asked to find the height. Our height will now be area divided by base. And what is the value of the area given to us? We are given 40 centimeter square. And we are given base to be what? To be 8 centimeter. We now divide. How many times does 8 goes in 40? We have 5. This is centimeter and this is centimeter square. Out of 2 centimeter square here, 1 will cut 1 here, which will remain centimeter. Our height will now be 5 centimeter square. That is for the first and for the second example under the area of parallelogram. I believe you've copied the classwork under the area of parallelogram. Let's now move on to the next subtopic, which is area of triangle. As we all know that a triangle has 3 sides. And from what we just finished on parallelogram, if this parallelogram as it is was divided into two, this side will be half, this side will be half of the triangle. And we know previously that the formula to find the area of this parallelogram is base times height. Therefore, each triangle inside this parallelogram will now have half of base times height, half of base times height. That is, from this parallelogram, you are able to get 2 triangles. And these 2 triangles, they are going to share the formula base times height. Each of them will now have half of base times height, and the second one also have half of base times height. Now, the formula we are going to use for calculating the area of a triangle, it will now be half base times height. The same thing as half times base multiplied by height. Half times b times h. And don't forget, it should be either in centimeter square or in meter square. The first example under this area of triangle says that calculate the area of the triangle whose base is 15 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Base 15, height 6 centimeter. We now go back to our formula, which is half times base times height, whereby we have our base to 15 centimeter, our height to be 6 centimeter. It will now be half times 15 centimeter times 6 centimeter. We now have our half times 15 times 6 centimeter times centimeter, giving you 90 centimeter square. Now, 90 centimeter square divided by 2 gives us 45 centimeter square as the area of the triangle. The second example, we have to calculate the area of this triangle. From here now, you see that we are going to identify which one is our base, which one is our height by ourselves. The one with dotted line here signifies height, while this one under this is what? Is the base, which is 15 centimeter. Now, to find this area of that triangle, it will now be half times base times height, giving me half times 15 centimeter times 5 centimeter, giving me half times 15 centimeters times 5 centimeter, gives me 75 centimeter square. Half times 75 centimeter square, it will now be 75 centimeter square divided by 2, gives me 37.5 centimeter square. 37.5 centimeter square. That is the 2 ways the question will be asked. Is that you are giving as notes, giving you the length, the height, and the base, or they will be giving you the diagram. You are going to identify the height by yourself, you identify the base by yourself, which you now multiply with the right formula, which is half times base times height in centimeter square or in meter square. And now for your classwork, there are 2 questions here for you for the class work. It will now be the first one, calculate the area, classwork, Calculate the area of triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. And the second one, calculate the area of triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height 1.5 centimeter. Do these two examples, the two classwork. Calculate the area of the triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. The second one also, calculate the area of a triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height is 1.5 centimeter. Now, I believe all what I've been taught is clear enough. We've discussed area of parallelogram, where we said that to find the area of a parallelogram, will have your base times height. And if you are given the area and the base, we are asked to find the height, you use the formula area divided by base. And if you are given the height, you are asked to find the base, you use the area divided by height. And also, for that of triangle, we discussed the area of a triangle. We've shown you how we arrive at the formula, whereby we divide the parallelogram into two. The two triangles share the formula base times height. Each triangle will now have half base times height. The second one will now have also half base times height. Whenever you are asked to find the area of any given rectangle triangle, you use the formula half base times height. And you have been given 3 different questions under parallelogram to solve as your classwork, and 2 questions under triangle which you are also asked to solve, making 5 questions. Make sure you do it, and it's going to be marked and recorded. Thank you.